Hello, fellow coders. Welcome back to Coder Squad. In today's video, we're going to unravel the world of data types in C++. Understanding data types is crucial for writing efficient and error-free code, so let's dive right in. At its core, a data type in C++ defines the type of data a variable can hold. It specifies the size and layout of the variable's memory, along with the range of values it can store. Think of it as the blueprint that guides how your program interprets and manipulates data. C++ offers several basic data types. The most common ones include int 4 integers, float 4 floating point numbers, char 4 characters, and bool 4 Boolean values. Let's take a closer look at each. The int data type is used for integers. It typically occupies 4 bytes of memory, allowing you to store whole numbers within a specific range. This is your go-to choice for most counting and looping operations. When dealing with decimal numbers, we turn to the float data type. It occupies 4 bytes as well and is suitable for a wide range of real numbers. Just be mindful of precision in certain calculations. The char data type is perfect for storing individual characters, like letters or symbols. It takes up 1 byte and is commonly used in tasks involving text manipulation. Booleans, represented by the bool data type, are fundamental in decision-making. They can only have 2 values, true or false. This is indispensable for control flow and logical operations. While basic data types are fundamental, C++ also allows you to create your own data types using structures, struct, and classes. These user-defined types can be powerful tools for organizing complex data in your programs. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to data types in C++. Understanding these basics will set a solid foundation for your coding journey. As always, practice is key, so fire up your favorite IDE, experiment with these data types, and get comfortable using them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!